Hi, Dr. Chanchal Kaur. Welcome you all in our YouTube channel SAIEDUPHARMAA. Many viewers have asked us what is the eligibility criteria for SERB Power grant. SERB Power is promoting opportunities for women in exploratory research. This grant is very important for the women scientists of India. So we are going to discuss what are the criteria for PI and CoPI. So as you all know that presently this grant is open, and SERB Power grant, it was opened on 1st January and last date is 31st January 2024, and this is the link. You can click in it. We have given the link in the description section so that if you want to apply, you can go in the website of SERB, DST SERB. And applicants, that is PI and CoPI, the most important criteria is that they should be Indian citizens and they should be holding a regular academic or research position in a recognized academic institution or national laboratory or in any other recognized R&D institution in India. So India is very important criteria. Next, you can see that in this grant there are two levels. In the level 1, you will be getting fund of 60 lakhs for 3 years, and level 2 you will be getting up to 30 lakhs for 3 years. But level 1 is specially for the institutes, the applicants from the institutes of central government institutions like IITs, ISRs, ISC, NITs, central universities and national labs. And for other applicants who are from state universities, colleges and private academic institutions, they can only apply for level 2 category, that is maximum they can apply for 30 lakhs. And you all know that there are various guidelines of SERB CRZ. Almost all the guidelines will be applicable for power grant also, and the selection will be based on the recommendations of a program advisory committee which will be constituted by the board. So you have to apply online this application, and this board will be doing scrutiny, and then you will be getting the result. You are like the grant is awarded or not. And if required, the applicants may be called for discussion or presentation, and the SERB Power grant will be regulated through all the terms of reference which are related to SERB CRG guidelines, except that sharing of 50% non-recurring cost by national laboratories and research institutions. Except this, all other guidelines are applicable for this also. And the women scientists cannot hold power fellowship and power grant at the same time. And the faculty is recruited through UGC faculty research program. They are also eligible to apply for this grant. Inspire faculty, Ramanujan and Ramaling Swami fellows, they are also eligible to apply provided they have at least 3.5 years of tenure remaining at the time of submission of application. And one more very important thing is that as this grant is for women, so there is a mandatory requirement for female CoPI from the same institute to be present, and male CoPI is not allowed in power grant research scheme. And the PhD guide cannot be CoPI, and the PIs who have already got a power grant, they are not allowed to apply again in power grant scheme. And JC Bose fellows and PIs who have already completed 2 CRGs, they are also not allowed to apply for power grant research. And the number of co-PIs, they should not exceed 2 per project. And the budget under the equipment head is limited to not more than 14 lakhs for tier 2 institutions. So thank you so much. This was the eligibility criteria for SERB Power grant. Stay connected with SAIEDUPHARMAA.